new crew, Roro, Ropax, D&e&cat catering to Embark 1281. Many crew Europeans are applying to Candina, link below, because they are thinking, why should I be sailing Indian Ocean? Why South Pacific, North Pacific? Why flag of convenience where I do not have social security? Why cruise? Because I'm tired of so much massification of people. Yeah. Then also I have social security. Why am I sailing fishing fleets? Because I only work 4 months per year. Why am I sailing little tiny ships if I can grow my career of say seafarer, officer, catering, ships of 37,000 tons to 67,000 tons, state of the art? Why, if my ship is old, I don't want to be like electrotechnical officer or deck officer doing maneuvers with the highest standards of innovation, anti-pollution, the highest quality, environmental, social governance, Italian, the best social security, retirement and pension? Why am I not sailing on board these ships? Why am I so far away from my family if I can join in Barcelona, Valencia, in Italy, if I'm Croatia, Greek, Spanish, Portuguese, Latvian? Why cannot I relocate to the nice Mediterranean weather, nice seas, huge ships, the biggest company in Europe? Why? Did you like this video? Apply. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe. Bye.